Wild animals, venomous snakes, immense heat, dangerous drivers. There's a lot of things people think are dangerous about bikepacking, and they may be so. But the biggest danger by far isn't physical, it's in here. Hear me out, you may be an experienced bikepacker that's travelled across the world in all conditions, and you may have experienced many dangers, or you might be quite new to it, and you'll likely be nervous about the unknown. The reality is that those things I mentioned aren't going to be an issue, especially if you're bikepacking in a familiar country. Chances are you know what the potential risks are, and you spent at least a bit of time preparing for them. The danger arises when your mentality starts clouding your ability to make sensible decisions. It's when your ego gets in the way of doing the right thing. The danger arises when you find yourself at the beginning of an issue and you start saying things like, I said I'd ride this route in its entirety. I don't quit. I've already come this far. I best plough on. I've got enough time to make it over the mountains before dark, if I push it. I want to make a video for social media that gets loads of views, so I must continue. I don't want people to think I'm weak. I've probably got enough food to skip this supply stop. The cost of this mentality is that you can dig yourself a deeper hole and find very quickly that you're in serious trouble. There is no shame in making changes. Here are a few things you need to remember. Adaptability is survival. Always expect things to get worse, even if they might not. Plans are temporary. Sticking blindly to routes is stupid. If the conditions or scenario don't look good, reevaluate. GPS routes aren't contracts. I typically create my own routes, but just because someone's made a set route doesn't mean you have to follow it completely. And you also shouldn't have to justify any changes you've made if people ask you if you've ever done X route. The mountains don't care about your goals. If you run into trouble, stay humble and be open to change. This applies to loads of aspects of bikepacking. The weather, mechanicals, your fitness level, route closures, accommodation commitments, political issues, or dwindling supplies. Once you have backup options and are confident in accepting when changes need to be made, you'll be much safer and much less likely to be in a dangerous situation and need rescuing. I'll be honest, I hadn't planned on making this video, but on my recent Winter Scotland film where I tackled the Badger Divide in some pretty awful conditions, I had to change my plans. I ran into some issues and I had so many comments from people highlighting my decision making. The full Scotland film that shows that decision in real time, the ice, the exposure, the reroute and why it mattered is linked in the description and in the top right hand corner of the screen. Let me know when you had to make changes for any of these reasons so that we can learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.